Hi everyone, it's Sarah with DriveStrike. Today I'm going to show you how to install DriveStrike on your Mac. It's pretty simple to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Install on the left-hand side of the dashboard here. And from there you can add other devices to your account. So let's say you want to add employee or family member devices. Simply send them an email, click Submit, and it'll show an email. They'll receive an email that looks just like this, which will lead them through a very similar download process. But to install on your own computer, you're simply going to click here. It'll automatically know what device you're on. And then from there, just follow the prompts. Click Continue, Accept, and enter your password. I used Touch ID. And when you see this screen, you know you've been successful. It'll show you the permissions DriveStrike has on your computer, so we can help you in the event that your computer is lost, stolen, compromised. And then click over to your dashboard, and you'll be able to see the newly added device, whether your own or someone you've divided, all of them from that dashboard. You can see details like location, actions that you can deploy. And from there, you're good to go. See? Easy.